tell people the story all the time, right? It's just like for our little desert community to show the idea of like collectivism, that you can't really do it on your own. You need resources, you need the community to pull together, and when you're doing phenomenal things, people will see it. So the Ridgecrest Community Garden is to focus more on nutrition, which is why we grow a lot of fruits and vegetables there. And then the Herbal Zen Garden is to focus more on wellness, focusing in on like the medicinal properties like plants. The pandemic and stuff, it was kind of just like our way of connecting to like our roots and our ourselves as like a unit, a family. It's like one of the impoverished areas. It's very diverse. One of the oldest neighborhoods out here in Ridgecrest. If I have a vision, I see the vision and I'm trying to portray the vision to everyone else. It takes very special people to actually see the vision that I'm trying to portray. Mountain Rose Herbs are one of the few, we call it, like those are my day ones. Mountain Rose Herbs was like the day one people organization that actually saw our vision and wanted to help us manifest it. So we're definitely extremely grateful for that. There would be no Herbal Zen Garden if Mountain Rose Herbs did not take that initial step and helping us manifest that vision.